welcome to Swan Lake Lifestyle. My name is Olivia and I'm a lifelong ballerina and classical musician here to teach you how to dance ballet for free with no experience needed. Let's go ahead and get our dancing gear on and get started. Hello and welcome. Just a quick note that if you are a new student here for the very first time, I recommend that you check out my playlist above because each video in this free ballet course builds off of concepts learned in previous videos and I wouldn't want for you to feel lost. Now if you're a returning student, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. Let's go ahead and get into today's lesson. So for today's lesson, we'll actually be covering choreography. And that choreography will be to a piece that I think everyone here is familiar with. And that will be to the music box theme that is at the intro and outro of all of my videos, so the Swan Lake theme, but it's music box. So for this choreography, again, we'll be pretending that we are wind-up dolls. And I made sure to edit the track of music so that we have basically like a 4 count of winding up at the beginning. So we'll start off the choreography by standing with our arms like this and kind of bent down like this, as if we are dolls who have not yet been wound up yet. So it's going to start, and you'll hear the wind up go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So that's me facing you as the audience. But let's go ahead and pretend that this is our wall number 1, and you're behind me so that you can understand what direction we're going to be dancing in. So we're going to start facing this way, down as if we are wind up dolls that have not been wound up yet, and it's going to count off. You'll hear the wind up go 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure that your arms are kind of in like this very straight stance. Again, this is a really good exercise because so much of ballet is very flowy and I guess elegant, but this might be a little bit challenging because we have to be rigid and straight as if we are like wooden dolls, okay? So again, it'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to step to the side and brush down in tendu. And we're going to angle the body down like this, okay? And I would say, as far as creative direction goes here, in the artistry of this specific choreography, wind-up dolls are meant to be rather expressionless. So you can kind of get away with having like a blank look on your face, as opposed to like a very expressive living character who has all these different emotions, okay? So something to keep in mind there when we do this dance full out. So again, we do our wind-up situation. We step and brush the foot into a tendu, plie with the standing leg, kind of look down, and we're going to beret. And while we're bereting, so we know we have our body leaning this way, we're going to come back upright and switch legs, tendu to this other front corner, plie with a standing leg, okay? And so that means that we're going to do our wind up, step, beret, down. Then we're going to do the same thing, but angle our body this way, beret to the other side, down, okay? Then from there, we are going to go ahead and close this right foot to the front. We're going to tendu, passe, tendu back, angle the body down towards the working leg, close 5th. Tendu, passe, angle the body towards the working leg, close 5th, and then go into a 6th position and end because we've run out of our wind-up momentum. So I'll go ahead and do that facing you, and then together we'll do it facing, this is wall 1 with the music, okay? So that you can see it with the arms and everything facing you. We're going ahead and going to start down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brush, angle the body, beret. Brush, angle the body, beret. Then we're going to close, and then you're going to plie. So when you close, you plie. You go out, tendu, passe, angle your body to the working leg, close. Out, passe, angle the body, close, 6th position, and down. Okay, let's go ahead and try it with music. right, fantastic job, everyone. Thank you so much for dancing with me today. Here's my regards to you. If you liked today's video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications so that you can stay in the loop for all of my future videos. I'll go ahead and put down below what we will be learning next time, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.